how to boost the performance for AION 2 using ExitLag. So first you want to download and install ExitLag if you don't have it already, and I'm going to put a link in the description. And the first thing you want to do is go to the general settings after you install the app and sign into your account. And then you want to scroll down to optimization options and disable real-time optimizations. And make sure to select route analysis protocol, set it to UDP/TCP, and you can copy these settings right here. Next, you want to go to the connections tab and you want to make sure to add AION 2 right here by clicking the plus or add button and then search for AION 2 and then select between the Korean or the Taiwanese version, and it should be added to your connections tab. Now if you click on it, you should be able to select your server. So you can click on the server drop down here, click on manual, go to Asia, and then search for Taiwan and select from these servers. So for example, Taipei 1 and wait for it to analyze routes. Next, you want to make sure to enable the redirect login option, otherwise you won't be able to log into the game. And then you want to click on apply routes. And then you want to go to the PC Boost tab. Now, if you want the best possible performance, you want to select a high performance from here and then click on yes, restart. Now, some of these might require you to restart your system. So let's first set everything up. For example, first you will need to enable the reduce input lag, which will reduce the input lag as it says. And if you notice any negative effects or impact because of this, you should try to disable it. But if you enable this and the reduce keyboard input time, you should have a very quick and responsive input in the game. Next, you want to enable the turn off Windows performance counters, which will require a PC restart. And then you want to enable maximum performance for games and minimum priority for background processes. And then you want to also enable turn off network power saving if you can enable it. But in this case, it's unavailable for me. And then you want to enable turn off game bar recording for background. And then also check keep all cores active and turn off NTFS last access time stamp. And then also enable turn off superfetch and Windows file indexing. You can also turn off ultimate performance mode to change the performance power plan for your computer. And this will also increase the power consumption. And if you are on a laptop, this is probably not good to enable because your laptop will sound like a jet engine. Now you want to scroll up to the RAM cleaner tab, click on it, and then you want to click on the clean button to clean up your RAM or the used RAM and wait for it to free the space that can be cleared. And once it's done, you can basically restart your system and then just open up ExitLag as administrator. So you want to right click on it and open as admin and then confirm. And then you should open up Purple and then click on AION and click apply routes. Now you should simply hit the start game button. And once the game starts, it should automatically connect you to ExitLag. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you on the next one.